Do you know that the median wealth for black families in America is only a tenth of that of white families? This economic disparity, rooted in systemic racism, curtails access to quality education and healthcare. But this is not just a story of struggle. It's also one of resilience and empowerment. Despite these challenges, the black community has always found ways to rise. Through the storm of economic racism, resilience has been our compass, guiding us towards financial literacy, investing and saving. We've prepared for the future, building legacies for our children. We've seen the rise of black entrepreneurs, successful business owners who've turned adversity into triumph. They've broken barriers, inspiring us to do the same. And so, the narrative begins to shift from disparity to empowerment. The road to financial freedom is not easy, but it is achievable. Education and financial literacy are key. Together we can overcome economic racism and build a prosperous future for our community. But the journey doesn't end here. Empower yourself at theblackbusinessschool.com and together, overcome economic racism.